everyone. Thanks for being here. This is Kathy, and we are going to kick off week 12 together with last week, this week. So last week, hopefully you received some rejuvenation in your life as you embrace the learning activities of taking care of yourself and taking care of others. I really am excited to hear some of your stories about how you took care of others, how you identified specific things that you could do to help ease the stress of someone else. And then also, what did you notice for yourself in regards to ways, specific ways, that you can decrease stress and support your own mental health? Such valuable tools in life, and especially as leaders. So hopefully you found great value in last week and you're able to carry that with you as we move ahead into this week. Oops. All right, here we are in our competency chart, and as we've already discussed, there's a lot involved in leading others. And we've been working on feedback and recognition, setting expectations. Our influencing was a big week for us. And then now sort of zooming in on the coaching aspect, which really encapsulates all of those aspects in leading others and then puts them into practice through coaching. So this week, you're going to watch my video in the framework that talks all about coaching and how coaching really isn't something extra that you do. It's something that becomes embedded in what you do. You're going to watch a coaching video, and you're going to read 2 articles. One of them is going to give you insight into the learning styles of yourself and others, and the other one is going to give you insight into coaching styles that you may identify with. So 2 really important articles as we move forward into leading others through coaching. In regards to assignments, you're going to complete a coaching style questionnaire, and you're also going to use the Know Thyself Learning Styles article to help you identify your learning style and potentially the learning styles of others that you may be coaching. We're going to have 2 forum discussions this week. One discussion will be with your team about your coaching style, and you're going to include how your style shows up as a strength and as a weakness. And I think that that's something many of you will notice as a theme as we look into the strengths and weaknesses of ourselves and others, and about how they really have a way to function in our lives both ways. You're also going to share with your class in a forum discussion the insights that you gained into learning styles and the ways in which they may impact your coaching, conversations, and relationships. So it's an exciting week this week, and I'm looking forward to diving into it with you. So I'll meet you in the framework.